you're looking for really one of the most fun experiences, one of the most encompassing and total experiences in dentistry in terms of camaraderie, in terms of education, in terms of exposure to new materials, then I absolutely recommend you come here to DentalWorld. Hi, my name is Arthur Volker. I'm a dentist in New York, and it's my pleasure to be here. This is actually my third time with DentalWorld, and every time it just gets better and it gets better. Yeah. So my lecture was very kind of simple in concept. It was how to make sure that your composite resin is staying on the tooth in a very efficient and effective manner. We can always make the tooth pretty, but sometimes if we don't adapt the composite properly to the tooth, then we can have some problems. So basically I was showing some techniques and some tricks of how to make your composite placement more efficient. Oh yeah, oh sure, I saw Dr. Marco yesterday. I'm looking forward to see Dr. Macek and Dr. Oh my gosh, see, I forgot his name already. My buddy I was just talking to, Marco Maiolano. I'm looking forward to see him. And yeah, there's fantastic speakers, and that's the thing I really love about DentalWorld is, I'm coming from New York, and I'm not always exposed to some of the fantastic speakers that we have from European countries and other nations. And you can never stop learning. And so I'm always here, yes, to speak, but also really to learn and to see how the dental life is here. This is beautiful. I mean, the setup of the exhibit hall is absolutely gorgeous, very well run. Leonard and his father are doing like a spectacular job. They always make a spectacular show. They make everybody feel welcome. It has a very nice convivial atmosphere here. Oh, DentalWorld is one of the best, and I've gone to many congresses across Europe, but DentalWorld is almost like home. It's always so well run, it's friendly, it's a very welcoming environment, and they are taking very high quality speakers, high quality manufacturers to this Congress. So it's not like it's poorly run, it's just absolutely beautiful, it's magnificent. It's definitely one of my favorite congresses that I go to, for sure. Come on, what can you say about Budapest? One of the best, most beautiful cities in the world, some of the best food. So I had to make sure I was here. I had to have my goulash, I had to have my langos, chicken paprikash, have to take advantage when I'm here. And if you're looking for really one of the most fun experiences, one of the most encompassing and total experiences in dentistry in terms of camaraderie, in terms of education, in terms of exposure to new materials, then I absolutely recommend you come here to DentalWorld. You will not be disappointed. You will love Budapest and everyone around it, and you will learn in such a nice manner.